Chords, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. So this one is the last song from Justin Bieber's new album called Deserve You. So we have the capo set here on the 2nd fret to make everything much more easier. So 6 chords we need to know, but 3 of them is played almost all the time during this song. But the chords are A minor, so it's open A string, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord we need to know is the C with the E in the bass. So this time we play all strings with the E, open E here, and then 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we need to know the F chord. Like this, we bar the 1st fret here. And then we have the 3rd here on the A string, the 3rd on the D string, and the 2nd on the G string. And the rest is barred here on the 1st fret. So, and then we go to the G chord. It's 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, and 3rd B, and 3rd G. E. And then we go to the D minor 7. And this one we have the open D, the 2nd G, and then I bar the rest here on the 1st fret, B and E string. I bar here. So that's D minor 7. And then we have this B chord here. I bar the 1st fret, and then I hold the 3rd fret here on the D string, the 3rd on the G, and the 3rd on the B. Yeah, that's it. So for the verse we have the chord progression which looks like this: A minor, and this C with the E in the bass, and the F. And you played one round of A minor, 1 round of C/E, and 2 rounds of F. So it's So this is the chord progression in the verse, and you play this 3 times, so that's 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, I'm sorry, you play it 4 times actually. So that's for the verse. And then we come to the pre-chorus, and here we have the C, E chord here on the 1st, and then F, and then A minor, and G, and then back to C, E, and F. On this part, it's easier if you just do 1 downstroke. On the verse, other hand, we have a strumming pattern which is down, down, up. So only down, down, up, down, down, up. That's for the verse. On this pre-chorus part, it's only 1 downstroke. It's easier because it gets a little bit down in the tension here, and then it adds up more for the chorus line later. So one more time for pre-chorus. Night after night you fall asleep on me. praying I don't go back to who I was. So that's how it goes. And as you noticed there, I'm not a singer. I just teach guitar, so but that's how we play it. So only one downstroke, and that's the chords. And when it comes to the chords, we have the same progression there as in the verse, which means it's A minor, C with the E in bass, and F again, A minor, C, F, A minor, C, F, A minor, C, F. And how about the strumming pattern? Yeah, here it gets up a little bit more in the tension and energy. So here I prefer to play down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So it will be like this. Yeah, that's for the chorus and the verse. So we have also one bridge part going on here, and that's where these new chords come in play. It's D minor 7 and the B chord. So the chord progression will be D minor 7 and then C, E and F, and then B, A minor, and one more time, D minor 7, C, E, F, and then we go to G and B minor. Sorry, B. So the bridge. One more time. G and B. And only one downstroke fits here. And then we're back to the chorus line. So that pretty much covers this song. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please thumb up. And as always, don't forget to, play tuned.